Dude, I have so many things to say about this level. But if I had to sum it up in one word, it would be stupid. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is the dumbest crap, bro. Please say recorded. Dear gosh. Yeah.
Supper.
Okay. Hey, I just beat this cool level.
Oh,
Yeah. It's like a top 10 hardest level.
yeah? Really?
Yeah.
Firework.
Yeah. I already beat it before, but I had to rebeat it because the recording crashed. I just beat it.
Oh, is that the one that you crashed on the 99% or whatever?
Yeah.
That's the one?
Yeah.
And I told you you'll beat it again?
Yeah. Thanks, Dad. I love you. Alright. That's fun. What a good ending. Cool. But can I do it twice in a row?